Hello, welcome to this video, and in this video we are going to explore the different ways you can make money online from the internet. But before we get started, I would like to ask a question. And what is that? Do you know that each day millions of people make money from the internet? Hope you heard me right. I said millions of people make good cash from the internet, and not just any kind of money, but 5, 6, 7 figures on a weekly or monthly basis, doing one thing or the other on the internet. So, does that sound mind blowing or unreal? Actually, it's my, but it is very real. It is real. Now, but you don't have to be confused if you are watching this video now. I can guess that your question is, how can you make money from the internet, or is it true? If that's your question, you are not alone, because this video is for you. We will explore the different ways you can make money from the internet, the proven and the most legitimate way. So stick with us to the end of this video, because we are going to explore all the ways you can make money from the internet. So let's get started. So first and all, this is blogging, and blogging is one of the most profitable online businesses you can start today. So bloggers earn money through monetizing their blogs, or by placing advertisements and sponsorships, offering online courses, launching a podcast, affiliate marketing, and much more. And the second one on our list is dropshipping. Dropshipping is an order fulfillment method where a store owner doesn't keep the products they sell in stock or manage inventory themselves. Instead, the dropshipper purchases the item as needed from a third-party supplier, who then fulfills customer order for them. And then we have affiliate marketing, and affiliate marketing is the most popular out there. So affiliate marketing is a type of marketing in which a business rewards an affiliate for each visitor or customer brought by the affiliate. It means promoting a product or services of another person or company in exchange for a commission on the sale. This commission can be 60% commission, 50% commission, or more. Now we have freelancing. A freelancer is an independent laborer who earns wages on a per job or per tax basis, typically for a short-term work. Now, the benefits of freelancing include the freedom to work from home or from a non-traditional workplace. Now, it promotes a flexible work schedule and a better work-life balance. So the next on our list is podcasting. Podcasting is the preparation and distribution of audio files using RSS feeds to the computers of subscribed users. These files may then be uploaded to streaming services which users can listen to on their smartphones or digital music and multimedia players like an iPod. Now, next on our list is forex or crypto trading. Crypto trading is the buying and selling of digital assets such as cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, Litecoin also, tokens, and the NFTs. NFTs means non-fungible tokens. On the other hand, forex trading means swapping one fiat currency for another in the hope that the currency will rise in value, which the trader can then reconvert for profits. They're almost the same thing. The difference here is that in forex you trade with USD or Euro, and in crypto you trade with Bitcoin and Ethereum. So the next on our list is completing surveys or tax online. So you can make money online by completing surveys online or completing online tasks like sharing a post on social media, downloading application, writing reviews, watching YouTube videos, and lots more. There are lots of survey sites out there, but the most popular is Swagbox. Now, the only thing you do in completing tasks online is just you complete a task and you get paid. That's just it. So next is becoming a YouTuber. Now, a YouTuber is a person who produces content for the video sharing platform YouTube. Some create videos for fun, while some does it to pay bills. A YouTuber earns money by joining the YouTube Partners Program, and YouTube content creator earns an average of $18 per 1,000 views. So that you have to get up to 1,000 views before you can earn money from YouTube. So we have great ebook. Unlike the traditional and printable books we do read every day, ebook is a book publication made available in digital form, consisting of text, images, or both of them. Now, these ebooks are readable on the flat panel display of computers or other electronic devices. Now, the last but not the least is online betting. Online betting is generally a means of using the internet to place bets on casino games, sports games, etc. So you can just purchase Man U and purchase win, and you shop money. Thank you. So these are the various ways you can make money from the internet. So thank you very much for watching this video to the end. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Also share with your friend so that they learn with you.